to show you how to make Blanca's famous pickled onions. I beg her to make these for me all the time, so now we officially have the recipe in our house. My name is Katie. I'm the founder of Kokomo Foods here in Vancouver. Kokomo is all about creating super healthy, accessible, plant-based food. And what this channel is all about is showing you my favorite recipes from my home kitchen. But today we have a special treat. This isn't actually from my home kitchen, it's from Blanca's. So Blanca is my mother-in-law, I guess you could say. She's my brother's boyfriend's mom from Mexico. Blanca, thank you so much for being here.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm so glad to be here. Thanks for the invitation. It's my pleasure.
Oh, we're so lucky. Lalo, we love you, but I have to say Blanca is probably like our favorite addition to our family, especially because she comes with this recipe.
Yes, they love it.
So Blanca, I love eating these on like everything possible in my house. What's your favorite thing to eat these pickled onions with?
I think with rice, with salads, I think even in the tacos or quesadilla.
Okay, perfect. Well, let's get cooking.
We are going to start with the red onions.
Okay, perfect. So I've already chopped them up. Is that how you would want them chopped? Is that good?
Okay, it's perfect.
Okay, so here you go.
Yes. Okay, well now we are going to squeeze 3 lemons.
Okay, cool. So I don't have a...
limes.
Oh, limes. Oh yeah,
sorry,
so this is a
limes.
common mistake.
Yes, this is... yes.
So in Mexico, what is this?
In Mexico, this is lemon.
Yeah, lemon.
Lemon.
Okay.
This is yellow lemon.
Yellow lemon. Okay, cool. So
yes.
we have 2 lemons here. So we're going to use this lemon.
The lime.
Okay,
yes.
so we'll just squeeze one. And you just squeeze
it.
it.
Any help? Oh,
sure.
Okay.
Perfect.
The easy way also.
Oh. You have so many tips.
More or less.
I should say we have construction going on because it's Vancouver and there's constant development here. So we just have to work around it and it's happening and that's just a part of our life.
Now we are going to put pepper.
Okay. How much pepper do you
maybe 2
crabs?
Yes.
That's it?
I think more. Yes, it's
okay,
enough.
Perfect.
Okay, it's enough. Now 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay,
2 tablespoons?
Yes.
So
more or less 1 tablespoon.
1? Oh, a little bit more?
I think it's enough.
So how many tablespoons?
I think that 2 tablespoons.
Okay, so 1.
Yes. Perfect.
2. Okay, so this is apple cider vinegar that we just used. Okay, so do jalapeno? So you cut your jalapeno a lot different than mine. I do mine in slices, but you do yours long.
I do prefer the round.
So
maybe the reason is because we used to eat in the taco in the long way.
Yeah.
Maybe
Okay.
it could be the explanation.
So I just like to cut these essentially like 2 millimeters thick. So are we gonna do 1 jalapeno?
Yes, I think 1 jalapeno is enough for this amount.
And I keep the seeds in so it's more spicy. Does that work, or do you want me to?
I think we could keep the seeds because the jalapeno is not too spicy.
Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna add in all the jalapeno. Now everyone knows you can't touch your eyes after you touch jalapeno.
Now we are going to put the salt.
Okay.
A dash of salt.
So like more, right?
Yes.
So then we just shake it. I like to keep it in a container like this. It's up my nose. I'm awake now. So I like to keep it in this because it's easy to just keep in the fridge and in the side door, and then you can just pull it out every single day.
It's more easier to handle.
And how long do you think that these will last? Like a few weeks?
Well, they last a lot of time. Maybe 2-3 weeks.
Okay. But mine only lasts like 4 days because I eat them so quickly. So this looks really dry right now. I noticed that like after a few hours.
Yeah, after because of the vinegar, it
Okay.
gets more
like breaks down.
Yes, más watery.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be super delicious.
Okay, great. So this is perfect. So we'll check back in an hour and we'll show you guys what the finished product is gonna look like. See you soon. Okay, we're back. Since then, lots has happened. It's been an entire hour, but the biggest thing is that our onions have completely transformed. So if you can remember, because it was only 1 second ago in your world, the onions were like up to here, but now they've basically gone down to half in size, and there's a bunch of liquid at the bottom. And so these are essentially ready to eat now, right?
Yes, they are ready to eat.
Good.
Delicious, delicious.
That is amazing.
The smell is amazing.
Amazing. I'm just gonna take a quick look. I might even just like try one, but it's hard to know if they're gonna be spicy or not. Can I try one?
Okay.
Perfect. So good. And these will just continue to like cook with the acid, and they'll become more pink and more pink over the next few hours. But essentially, these are ready to eat. These taste amazing. They'll be perfect on tacos right now. I'm excited because now I don't have to call you up every time I want to make them. I can just watch my own video right here. So thank you so much for joining us. We're so lucky to have you not only in Canada, but also on this YouTube channel. I feel like everyone's going to be so excited about your debut. Please comment below if you have any questions for Blanca, or if you have any special requests for any Mexican food that you missed from Mexico and you want her to show us how to make them. So thank you again, Blanca.
Thank you to you, Katie. It was my pleasure being here.
Okay, have a
Thank
good
you.
day. Okay,
You
bye
too.
guys.
Bye.